Okay, everybody, so this is an old school desk. As you can see, buggered up. Needs to be stripped down and repainted. So, that's exactly what I'm going to do. It's for my girls, so hopefully we can get it to them before they can't use it anymore. Okay, so trying to think what to do here. So look, obviously you've been watching me do this. Lighting's been, actually I need to switch that. Anyways, lighting's been horrible. So this is obviously the desk. It's been cleaned up. You can see right here, the paint doesn't get good. So the tip with these things, you see how this is chipping off and it's glued right there? So that chipping right there, that's mostly because of me hitting on edges. If you hit on edges with the going that direction, it's horrible. So what you want to do is, you want it to be running the way that the edge is. So if I'm doing it this way, I want it to be, it's going, you know, clockwise. I want to hit it with the bottom part of it so that it goes off the edge and it doesn't chip. Because you'll see me shake my hands a lot away, and that is just when I'm, that's just when it hits something and then it throws a bunch of that stuff at me and it don't feel good. Obviously. I'm trying to think. I don't know how I'm going to get to everything because this is just, without fully taking it apart and trying to weld it back together, which I just cannot do because I don't have a welder. I could borrow one, but I'm not trying to get that in depth with it. I'm going to try to do some goo off and squirt it in the places that I can't get that wire wheel brush. And then I don't know what to do about the wood. I really don't know what to do. Like, the wood is terrible. The desktop needs to be replaced. I know that much. I can find something. I think I have enough stuff to replace it. So I think I'm okay there. I think I have a piece of plywood that I'm going to use, you know, just simple plywood. And then the back, though, the back of it is falling apart a pretty good bit, and I thought I was gonna just be able to glue it back together. I kind of wanted to, we wanted to keep that old aged wood look, so I need to do some research into that. But the main part was we wanted it to get repainted. I have the new paint. Oh god, that broke. This stuff, it's just gloss machinery gray. We just kind of wanted to go with something that was pretty close to what it already had on there. Did I not grab the primer? It doesn't have primer. Okay, I'll have to prime it. Because, yeah, it's going to need primer. Help flatten it out a little bit. Technically, you can bond to it, but there's no reason to. It's just a desk. It doesn't need to look too great. And it's going to be inside, so it doesn't need to be too good. The surface is going to be a good finish because of what I'm using, so it's not going to be too bad. I don't know what to do about the wood because the way it's attached, everything is attached with rivets. So I'm just trying to figure out what the best route would be. I'm thinking of, no, I'd have to thread it the right way if I wanted to do machine screws. I don't know. I want to switch over to like screws or something, but at the same time, like rivets would be fine. I just don't have a rivet gun, and I don't do rivets. I just don't do rivets at all. And the only time I've done rivets is with the punch thing for a curtain one time, and that was horrible. So, I don't know. I'm going to do more research and then figure out more about that. But I got to keep cleaning this off, and then... yeah, definitely need to replace that, because I'm looking at it now. So, you see that? Just kind of falling apart. It's hard to tell. There's just a bunch. You know, this used to be a solid piece of something, but now it's so rough and gritty. There's no way I'd make my kids ride on that because that would just be uncomfortable. And then that chair is horrible. And then you can see up here the glue is separating. It's gonna be cool once I finish it. But that's the thing, I gotta finish it first. So, I don't know, we'll figure this out. I gotta get that wood off of there, I think, and just figure out a way to put it back on there. Probably have to learn how to do rivets. Oh well. It's what it is. It is what it is. Wife brought it back and said, can you do this? And I said, can I do this? Yes. Do I want to do this? No, I'm just kidding, I wanted to. It's good. It's cool. More work than I wanted to be doing, because right now I'm working on a whole lot of other forging stuff, but Christmas is coming up, and this is for Christmas, so gotta make it happen. I also gotta make Christmas stuff to sell, because, you know, money's nice, so there's a lot. I'm biting off a lot. I'm a big guy, though. I can do it, so biting off more than I can chew ain't no such thing. Lucky? I did, I think. This one fits. This feels better. I don't think this fits. This one does. Stop recording. If it ain't coming out, you ain't hitting it hard enough.